Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Bissell CrossWave Floor and Area Rug Cleaner, a versatile wet-dry vacuum that makes cleaning a breeze. This corded electric powerhouse not only vacuums but also washes your floors simultaneously, outperforming the traditional sponge mop and bucket in less time. It's safe and effective on a variety of surfaces, including tile, sealed wood, laminate, and even area rugs, thanks to its dual-action multi-surface brush roll that rotates at an impressive 3,000 RPM. The CrossWave features innovative two-tank technology, ensuring that clean water and formula remain separate from dirty water and debris, so you're always cleaning with fresh solution. Plus, it comes with an antimicrobial treated Fresh Start filter to protect against odors and includes an 8 ounces Simply multi-surface pet formula to tackle pet messes. After you're done, the self-clean-out cycle and rinse and clean-out storage tray make maintenance a breeze, keeping your machine ready for the next use. And remember, every purchase of a Bissell product helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to save homeless pets, making your cleaning routine not just efficient but also impactful. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.